I created this animated rotating Tumbler Mockup template. Originally, it was not supposed to rotate 360 degree, but you can if you want to make it rotate that far. I'm going to show you. Firstly, drag your pattern into this frame. If your photo does not fit into this frame as you expected, double click it and you can do smart crop and then you adjust your photo and then done. And this is good now. And then if you're happy with that, what you can do is to right click your mouse and then go to layer and send it back. Alternatively, what you can do is to click the position on the upper right corner and then go to layers and you see this your pattern is on the top. Drag it to the bottom. It will do the same thing. And you will see this pattern is wrapped around the tumbler. This is the original template I developed. This is not supposed to run 360 degree. This will be rotating but not 360 degree. But if you want to make it rotate 360 degree, there is a way to do it. I'm going to show you. So let's go back. So this is a template you received originally. You don't need this frame, so you can just delete it. So drag your pattern here, duplicate it, and then put them together. Click both and a group. Adjust the pattern to cover the entire tumbler. So the next thing is to send this pattern back. Right click your mouse, layer, and send back. So the next step is to do the animation. Click the animate on the top. Click create an animation. And then hold the shift button and then drag this pattern. Then you can adjust it. Here, the movement styles. This is original. You can change it to steady. And here's the speed you can adjust. Okay, I don't want it to be so fast. Okay, click down. The last thing is to adjust the shadow. So click the position. Here you see the middle layer is the shadow layer. You can click it and adjust the transparency. I usually just put it between 10 to 15 and it looks okay. Sometimes there's a problem to adjust transparency when the layer is in the middle. Somehow Canva blocked the process. What you can do is drag this layer to the top or drag the top layer down. And you can adjust transparency here. And after that, and you drag it back. And this is done. And you can preview it, rotate 360 degree. And if you're happy with that, click share and download. Okay, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you.